This is Lisa Vasallo of 1 to 3 Marketing Solutions, and I'd just like to show you a few things that you can do to make sure your Google Analytics data is compliant with the new GDPR regulations which are coming into force on the 25th of May 2018. So you need to log on to your free Google account and go to Google Analytics and then click on Admin on the left hand side, this little cog here, which will bring you to this page. And if you click on Account Settings, the top left hand side, and then scroll down, you'll see across the top I've got this little banner that's saying I need to review the terms. You can do that here by clicking on Review Amendment. Just scrolling down, have a read through and then click on Done. And you also want to manage your DPA details. So this is where you can add the primary contact details, and these need to be updated with your information. So if you click on that button and then click on Contacts and Add, you just put in your first name, last name, your email address and your mailing address and select primary contact, and that lets Google Analytics know that you're the primary contact for this account. And then the final thing you need to do is to go back to Admin. You want to go to Tracking Info and click on Data Retention. This tells the system how long you can hold on to people's data for, and with GDPR you're not allowed to hold on to people's data indefinitely, so you can't select this one, don't automatically expire. You can select 50 months so long as you can say why you want to keep people's data for that long. So perhaps you're comparing your data year on year, or you work in a seasonal business. So 50 months, and just make sure this is selected to on, so that when people come back to your website their new activity is recorded, and hit save. And they're the 3 steps you need to take to make sure that your Google Analytics data is compliant with GDPR.